YouTube, what is going on? Panda here, and this is part 4 of my Total War Warhammer playthrough as the dwarves, as Grombrindle the White Dwarf. Hope you guys are enjoying your Tuesday. I've been having a busy days, but you know, just like I was explaining in Tomb Raider about, just reminding you guys about my house being renovated, and you know, just can't wait for it to be done. To be honest, it's been some lengthy days.
Your army suffers in the miserable conditions they find themselves, my lord.
Yes, I know what attrition means. But yeah, guys, last time where we left off, anyways, we beaten at Valya's Sorrow. Oh, I know I was gonna take them. I was gonna take them over here. I completely forgot what I was doing. Like I said, guys, it has been some days. It's been a long day, to say the least. But yeah, guys, I've made it through. I am here to give you guys some content. We're gonna go ahead and end the turn. Try to get that growth going. Try to get the public order under control over there at. Is that the last of the... No. Okay, Spite Peak. I was about to say, is that the last of the Crooked Moon? Because we might just go in and take that Karak 8 peaks. We're going to take a look at that, by the way. See if I can't get... see if I can't get these guys right here to attack Bitterstone Mine. Right. I think I'm going to do it to Doc Kraz first, because they're kind of more... Actually, you know what? I'm going to look at the garrison. Alright, I'm going to do it to Barag Dwazbag, because they don't have a garrison all that well. So let's go ahead and do that to them. Alright, so they're going to get level 3 garrison, these guys. And then we're going to do Droll the Krazak.
On to glory for the ancestors.
On to glory for the ancestors. Yeah, guys, it's been interesting this week, but just like I said before, that I would...
Yes?
That's right, I'm gonna move him. That when this my house is done being remodeled, it should be tomorrow. Thursday will be the hour specials that I promised for Total War Warhammer, and also Rise of the Tomb Raider, and I'll also do a hour special on Friday for Napoleon Total War The Kingdom of Prussia. So just stay tuned for all of that, guys, and we'll press on. Did Averland declare war on me? What's going on here? What? Averland. They are. Why are they at war with me? Who are they at war with? Vampires, dwarves, the Empire. Oh, because they attacked the Empire.
And so come the dwarfs.
And
Later.
they don't care. Alright. I kind of forgot. Like I said, my mind has been elsewhere with all of this stuff going on. This is the Border Princes. Averlands are right there. Yeah, they have to come through. I don't think they want to, but we're going to go ahead and come over here. And then I'm going to go on to diplomacy. Talk to these guys. Why are we deteriorating? What them? Great power cheers with the Border Princes. Okay. What does that have to do with anything? Alright, either way, let's go ahead and set war target. I don't know why we can't. Oh, wait, we have to be at... We are at war with these guys. Oh, that's right, I have to see them. So, I'm gonna move my agent in, and then I can select their war target. Alright, let's look. Okay, what do you got? You got Orc Biggins, Orc Boys, Night Goblins, Goblins, Crooked... Oh, that's... Night Goblin Archers, Crooked... Okay, actually, I think we can take those out.
Yes.
Let's go ahead and attack.
Such an action would surely lead to war. As glorious as that is, proceed only if you desire conflict, my lord.
Stop talking. Alright. This is most likely going to be a auto-resolve thing. Just a Crooked Moon. I mean, they're taking some hits, so we're going to go ahead and end the turn. I don't think that they're going to do anything. Oh, that's right. They're also attacked. They're also at war with each other on the what are they called? The Tusk or something. Red Fang, I think. I don't remember. All right. Interlocking shields. Okay. Oh, this place can grow now. Alright, so it shall. Right. And then I'll have my agent in the Top Knots lands. And they should now be able to set the war target. Alright, let's get it set. Nope, we still can't. Don't know why. Owner to Greenskins. I don't know. I'll just keep going. Keep going and see what happens here. Iron Rock can also... Oh, Iron Rock also grows. What should I put in here? Do we have growth? I do not see it, so I will put in growth. Can never go wrong with growth.
Bring them to battle.
Right, we got one turn before we get our towers. I'll probably auto-resolve that. I don't see much of anything really going on. Somebody needs to take out Spite Peak. Who are these guys? These guys are the Red Fangs. Yeah, that's what I thought. Alright, we're keeping them here for a little bit, just in case we can build up the garrison. Let's go ahead and get a technology in the turn, and then we should be able to easily auto-resolve. Master of Steel and Stone Commandment additional minus 5% to recruiting cost. Go ahead and do that. We need our troops cheap. At least as cheap as we can get them. Okay, yeah, so they're all at war with each other. The Empire is taking out Averland. Alright, the Crooked Moon. Okay. Block Army, of course. Grug issued. Against a character, Crooked Moon. Yeah, it probably ain't gonna happen. Our dude kind of sucks. I thought you could take a... you could set the war target once,
Time to slay Oathbreakers. Let us settle this.
Do we have them? Okay, yeah, we do. I'm gonna go ahead and auto-resolve that. Decisive victory. Did we lose anybody? 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Yeah, we lost one. Alright. But...
Attack!
Go. nice. Oh, nice. Just gonna put in that. We don't have enough money. Yeah. Alright, so we're just gonna have to wait next turn. So we got crack 8 peaks. And this is doing fine. We also got the growth going.
Ready? Yes, let's move.
Good, and keep moving. They got 1 turn before they're ready to go. Oh, skill points. Just go ahead and put in that. And then we will do that as well. And then we'll end the turn. Get them nice and strong against the greenskins. I'll do my best to get a battle in involved. If I don't get a battle in, then I do apologize. But it'll most likely be
Your
a...
conquests strike fear into the hearts of your enemies.
Okay. Good.
Pillage and burn all you find here, mighty lord. The lands are not suitable for your...
Yeah. Okay, so if you attack a human settlement, you can't take the settlement. You have to oh wait, yes. And okay. You have to raise it down to the ground. Right. Go ahead and put in the sparring chamber so we can get our miner back. We're gonna set up to attack the greenskins coming up real soon. Iron Rock, I think I'm gonna put in income generated. Federation, Bretonia, and Bastogne. Alright. Clan honor. Alright. Whatever. These random events that make you have to pay for stuff that doesn't really matter. Alright, let's go ahead and upgrade so we can get more growth. And okay. Oh, okay. So a couple turns I'll be able to get the 3rd tier as well. Right. Yes. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and put in the trinket maker. Maker. I will get it out.
My axe thirsts for war.
Right, and then next turn we'll get the dwarven warrior. Sorry, I'm going through some interns, guys. I'm just trying to build right now. Trying to get all that fixed up. Alright, Crooked Moon has done absolutely nothing. Alright. The Braybeards come, more chaos. Let's do that. Alright, let's go ahead and get you your dwarf warrior.
Yeah, nah, sauce, but no.
But no. Alright, I'm actually going to come up here Isn't there a slot? Yep, right here. Oh, okay, yeah. And then next turn we'll do that as well. Just trying to get money.
You know who I am?
Yes. Alright, so we're not at war with these guys, the Skull Takers. Alright, I'm trying to get... Oh, wait a minute. Crooked Skull should be... yeah, the Crooked Moon should be gone, right? They gone? Nope. Where is their settlement at? Correct, so... Okay. In the turn. Oh, we have to take out that that army. We're just preparing to make our move. What is this? Trade agreement. I will do so. Let's get some trade in. Let's get some extra cash flowing. All right, Crooked Moon has lost, it looks like. Okay. No. I can't afford public order damages like that. I really can't. But we are going to prep ourselves for another attack. At least we're making good money though. Next turn I promise I'm going to get this. It's pretty much what I'm doing. I'm just kind of blowing through turns right now. Just trying to get our stuff together here pretty much. Actually, can I end the Crooked Moon from where I'm at? No, they're too far.
How can I help?
Yeah, they're too far.
Onward.
Okay, let's go ahead and end the turn again. Like I said, I know I'm ending the turn a lot. There's the Beastman. Okay. Faction destroyed. Red Fangs are gone. Who do they get replaced by? Who's this? Skull Takers, right? Yeah. Alright, Skull Takers. Skull Takers are taking out, seems like everybody. The Greenskins as well. Nope. Nope. Where is it? Right here. Oh, I can't. Oh, I need a growth. Oh. Okay. Yeah, I have a feeling, guys, that this is just going to be a campaign episode. Just trying to upgrade my settlements. Yes. I will take peace with Averland. I don't even know why we're at war. This doesn't really make much sense. Oh! And my allies are moving. Alright. Damage roll success. Whatever, man. Alright. Oops. Sorry. It just sucks that all this stuff costs a lot, but we do have the growth here, so I'm probably going to upgrade this first. Yes. Yes. I'm going to upgrade that first. In the turn one more time, I'm going to upgrade that, and then we're going to wrap up the part, guys. I do apologize that this is a campaign-heavy part, but, you know, it, like I say in Total War all the time, you need heavy campaign parts to move forward. That's fine. I'm not really worried about him. Negative growth, of course. Seems like everything bad happens to us. Alright, so the Black Crag is now going to grow and get a nasty garrison. Iron Rock seems to be the only one that doesn't really have a good garrison. Why is that? Oh, because they don't have these. That's fine now. Iron Rock is going to be well defended, me think. Alright, yeah, these guys are actually pretty good. Now, it's going to hit the Oath Stones, melee defense, unit experience, hero actions, income from iron mines, gold mines, and we don't have those. Reload time reduction. Recruitment cost. Alright, here we're going to do volley fire first. And this is where I'm going to wrap up this part, guys. I hope you have enjoyed. I know I have. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, rate, share. Do what you guys can to get this channel out there. I really do appreciate you guys for everything that you guys do. This comes from the heart. I really do appreciate you guys, and please continue the support, and I will continue making content. Alright guys, tomorrow will be the same as today and yesterday, and then like I said, Thursday we'll start the hour specials to make up for these being short parts because of when I have to record these and my house getting worked on and everything. So yeah guys, I hope you have a wonderful rest of your Tuesday. I will see you guys tomorrow with some Rise of the Tomb Raider and some Total War Napoleon content. But until then, take care for now.